Are you psychic? Do you understand your intuition? Can you hear it? Would you like to be able to? Well, look forward to the workshop coming up. I am teaching a workshop on psychic development, getting in touch with your intuition and developing your intuition. So it's a lot of fun, and we're going to be doing that soon. And this is Donna with Northstar Tarot. Welcome to my channel. So I am teaching a workshop starting on Friday. Let me just see here, March 17th. And it'll go for 3 weeks on Fridays. So the 17th, the 24th, and the 31st from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that is a good amount of time to look at everything we need to explore and, you being able to get in touch with yourself. A few things that we cover on developing your intuition. We talk about, what is intuition, right? And what is being a psychic. So we talk about both those things. Psychic being, we talk about all the clairs, intuition, what is it and what's the difference. We talk about meditation and mindfulness, grounding, protection, and clearing. What can you do, as a psychic, as an empath, all these things come into play. And how do you protect yourself? How do you protect your energy? Or when you walk into a room and you're just like, you feel so much energy, what do you do? So we are going to talk about that as well, okay? And we'll do some practices, we'll, do some exercises. It's a lot of fun. To start off, also, we're gonna do a little kind of test or a little scoring of where you are right now with your knowledge base. And then we'll do it again at the end of the course and you can see your progression, right? So we also talk about modalities. So some of the spiritual modalities that are involved. And then we talk about chakras. So I don't go deep into chakras, but we do cover them, okay? So you'll have a little bit of a basic kind of understanding what chakras are and how to recognize when people are talking about chakras, what they're referring to, okay? We also talk about common divination tools. This is a fun kind of time in the workshop where we talk about all the divination tools. We get to play with them. Bring your own, bring whatever you want to the workshop, and we will talk about yours, talk about all mine, and just give us a good idea of what's out there and how to use it. And then we talk about certain foods to heighten your psychic abilities, and there's exercises and worksheets along the way, okay? So every week you will leave with homework. And, it's not hard homework, but every week you'll leave with a little bit of homework and, it'll help you for the next week, right? Help to reinforce for the next week. We also cover a little bit of a glossary of psychic vocabulary. So how do you fit in this world, right? So sometimes you feel kind of strange when you're around people who have been around, psychic development and this kind of thing for a long time, and you feel kind of out of place. Well, just having this knowledge base will help you a little bit, okay? So all you need is a pen, maybe some paper. I do suggest you have a couple of journals that you will be using. They don't have to be fancy, but a couple of journals. You'll need 2. And I'll explain that during our first class. And that's all you need is an open mind and an open heart. And it's a lot of fun. So the cost for this workshop is $120 Canadian, okay? So this is split up into 3 nights. You can pay it in 3 payments. You can pay it all at once. If you are in the States or Canada, I believe I can take a credit card for the States. Some of them will go through, some of them will not, but I can try. If not, we can work out a payment plan. And for everybody else around the world, we will definitely work out a payment plan if you need it. And you can pay me by PayPal, okay? So as long as you're able to pay by PayPal, you can be part of this, all right? And yeah, so it's going to start promptly on Zoom on March 17th and continue for the 24th and the 31st from 7 to 10 p.m. You get a lot of value, I believe, out of this. And, you know, I try to keep it small so there won't be too many people, but it is fun. It's interactive. I ask a lot of questions, and we get to share a lot of our own kind of experiences and how we feel and what we've gone through and our, you know, what we perceive to be true for us, for our intuition and psychic abilities, right? So anyway, it's a really good time, and I look forward to spending some time with you, getting to know you, and really helping you on your journey. This is my biggest thing, right? You can use psychic abilities or intuition. You can use it with colleagues. You can use it at home with your family. You know, being more aware of the people around you, right? Maybe how they're feeling and maybe what they're going through. And it just enhances your ability to be part of this grand world that we are all part of, right? So yeah, so if you are interested, please message me, send me, you can comment below. That would be fine. I'll get a hold of you. Leave me a way to get a hold of you. Leave me your email address, or don't leave me a phone number because you may be too far for me to phone. So leave me an email address, and I will get a hold of you, or you message me by email, or you can text me. Go over to my website. That's northstartarot.ca. My phone number's there. Whatever you like, okay? And I'll do whatever I can to help you be able to take this workshop. So again, $120, that's for the 3 weeks, okay? And you get a lot of value for that, all right? And you will be really happy you did this. So I look forward to having you as part of this class and as part of our learning together, right? So yeah, so let's make it really good, and let's just have fun. And that's the main thing, right? So anyway, we will talk to you soon, and you guys have a really good night, and let me know, okay? Thank you very much. Bye for now.